it's Ginger. Welcome back to my channel. So I have a little monthly mystery box here from Vettsy. It is their 4th anniversary, so go check them out. All the links and everything will be in the description box, and I believe I have a discount code for Vettsy, so use the link and go check out all the fun things. So we're gonna open this box. I haven't opened it yet, still sealed. Got the sparkly box cutter out, and I got Amanda here. Say hi, Amanda. And we're gonna, like, you know, just open it and see what's inside, and you'll get our reaction and first impressions and all the goodies. So first of all, the box is adorable.
That is cute.
Ooh, they got like crinkle paper. Ooh, I like it. Oh, there's a brush.
Oh my goodness. Oh, look at the little ribbon.
Oh, it's so pretty. So their 4th anniversary stuff is really cute. So we've got a gel brush. You can open that if you want. Oh, it's got a lid. Oh, like I hate when gel brushes don't have lids, right?
Yes.
So that's perfect. You want to open that? Let's see. What's this? What's this? Oh, this gives you the instructions for their solid gel polish, how to use it. All of that. Oh, there's some molds. Oh my gosh, they're Hello Kitty. You could have used these.
Oh, those nails I had to try to hand draw Hello
That's so
Kitty.
cute. The struggle is real. This would have been cute because you could have like a little 3D. Is it a nice brush? You like it?
This is really nice. Look, it's so soft.
Ooh.
And look at it. Look how pretty
it's like a square one.
Look how pretty the lid is too.
This
is
would be
a nice lid too. It's wide.
It's like a thin brush. It's not super thick. So this would be good for like their solid gel, like their pudding gels and stuff to paint them on. Ooh.
I like when the brushes are wide inside too, because sometimes they have like plastic in there and it's hard to get.
Yes.
And then whenever you're trying to get it in, it's hitting the sides and then it bends it and bends your bristles. So that's nice.
That is nice. So check out the little kitty molds. It's not exactly Hello Kitty, but it would have worked. Isn't that cute?
That is so cute. Oh, it even has a little cat print.
Oh, there's a little magnet in here. I bet you there's a cat eye gel in here somewhere.
Oh gosh, I love those.
Oh, those are so pretty. Make your dreams come true. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna need this manicure.
Oh, there's 2.
2 sets in here? Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, they're Hello Kitty.
I'm so mad.
Poor Amanda has this young client and she wanted Hello Kitty nails, and so she had to hand draw, and she did an amazing job, you guys.
Well, I don't know about all that, but
it was amazing. But we didn't have any stickers, any stamps, anything.
Nothing.
Hello Kitty, and well, now we do for next time. Ooh, what do we have here? These things are upside down. Whoa, those are pretty. Those are big. Goodness. I've only got one girl who would wear these. Maybe. She may not want them. Ooh, look at these. Those are pretty.
Girl, this is so much cute stuff.
I know.
It's like Christmas.
Oh my God, what is this? Is this a necklace?
Honey, it's like Christmas in July.
It is like Christmas in July. Yeah, Vettsy. And look at their packaging. It's like holographic. It's so cute. What is this?
That is pretty.
I think this is a... Oh no, this is like chain for your nail. Like, you know how they do the...
Oh, yeah.
That is so...
I see sparkly stuff.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to wait.
Grab whatever.
I'm trying to wait patiently.
Which one do you want to grab next? What do you want to see?
Something sparkly. What's that?
I wonder if there's flakies.
That's a really pretty gold. I hate super, super yellow gold.
Yeah.
They look cheap.
Oh my God, this little square box is so cute. It's like little flakes.
That's a really pretty gold too.
I have a lot of flake stuff, but they're big and you got to try to like break them up yourself.
That you can just dip your silicone in there.
Oh gosh, I'm scared to open it. It's going to go everywhere. Hold on. Oh, there we go.
Those are really pretty.
Super, super pretty.
And they're really tiny.
Teenies. I like that a lot.
Me too.
What's this? What do you think that is?
I want to say, is it a chrome?
That's what I want to say. It looks like it could be a chrome. It looks
like a holographic black something.
very pretty. Oh, look at the packaging though. It's so unique. Like we got the little square box and then this little guy right here.
Oh wait, that's not chrome.
Oh, it's glitter. Ooh, girl.
That is all the holographic.
Oh.
Halloween.
Yeah. Oh, it's got like shells in it. Like little shell pieces. Ooh, that's cool.
To encapsulate?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Very pretty. Oh, I'm gonna make a mess.
There's so much stuff in here.
I know. Their boxes are humongous. And
wait, so hold on, because I'm not somebody who's ever gotten Vettsy.
Okay.
So you can get on there and order like a subscription box through them, and it comes with this much stuff in it?
But yeah, this is like their monthly mystery box. So they do one every month, and it's usually themed out for the month. So this is their anniversary one. So.
Wow, this is a ton of stuff.
Oh, these are gorgeous. These look like earrings, but they're like little tiny
yeah, they do.
diamonds for the nail. Very cute. Ooh, ooh, look at this.
What's that? Is it more? Oh, it's stars. Is it stars?
Yeah. Stars and hearts and...
Oh, wait, I see a dragonfly or a butterfly.
I think I see leaves.
Oh,
all
yeah,
kinds
leaves.
of shapes in there. Here, I'll pour some on my hand.
Perfect for encapsulation.
Yeah. Look at that. Those are iridescent and gorgeous.
Mm-hmm.
That's kind of neat. Like, I like the leaves. I could see, like, a pink fall manicure.
Ooh,
Wouldn't that
Buffy.
be fun?
And
yeah.
you know what else, too? That would be... Those are thin enough. Like, for me,
Oh, yeah.
I'm not real familiar with encapsulation. Like, I'm not real good at it yet. And that would be easy to encapsulate because it's not, like, super thick.
Look at that.
I just said today, oh, I wish I had nail brush cleaner.
Ta-da. How perfect. Vettsy coming through.
Yeah, they are.
Oh, let's see what's in here. There's so many little goodies in here, and there's like a whole bunch of stuff over here still. So we got some like little charms. Look at the butterfly. Oh my goodness.
Oh, that's gorgeous. That's like super detailed.
Yeah. And then there's a bow. I just had a client asking for bows too. How funny is that? These butterflies are so pretty.
Those are gorgeous.
Anybody who likes 3D charms.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff. There's
This
another.
right here is going to be the coup de grace. It's got a ribbon and everything, girl.
It's got a ribbon. Oh gosh, that's pretty.
I love anything sparkly. Look at that. Oh, my.
Oh, that's got little tiny butterflies in it. These glitters are a little bit thicker than the other ones. Mm-hmm. Just a little bit.
We have one client who loves anything pink and sparkly and butterflies.
Yes.
She would love that.
Love all of this. That is so cute.
I feel like we need a podcast.
You think we need a podcast?
I think people need us to have a podcast. The people need us.
The people need us.
We don't even have to. We could. I mean, you could get on there and spit some like scientific nail facts because you're like
I like it.
Bill Nye the Science Guy but for nails, and then I could just get on there and be funny and talk about chickens.
So check these out. This almost looks like the Raider shield, almost.
That's
Doesn't
our
it?
local high school football team. That does.
And then we've got like some crosses, some really cool crosses. I know a couple of your clients who would like that. And some stars, some really cool like embellishment stuff. I like stuff like
this.
this
A lot of embellishment
because
stuff.
you can like have it on the nail and you can also like put a top coat on it so it sticks up, but it's also sealed.
Oh yeah.
So it won't catch on anything. So I like stuff like that versus like diamonds. You have to like just kind of sit on the nail.
Yeah, and they can't.
Oh, look at the stars. Those are cute.
Those are super cute. Look, wait till you see what's underneath them.
Ooh, pearls. Moons.
Those are pretty.
I'm going to take this out of the package here. Those are a little bit large, so you definitely have to have that on a bigger nail. But these ones, I think, would fit pretty much any nail.
Oh,
Those
are they
cute.
soft?
No,
Or they
they're
look like
hard.
glass, like painted glass
Yes,
almost.
yeah.
Oh my gosh, now the box.
Oh, now the
coup de
one,
grace!
now the one with the ribbon. This is such cute packaging.
I'm obsessed with that. I love the
It
ribbon.
is so adorable, and they've got like a cute little 4th anniversary tag, which is so cute. Love it, Vettsy.
I have to tell all your followers to watch for next week, because we'll have another unboxing too.
Oh,
A big one.
yes. I forget what all it is.
It's so much I don't even remember.
Oh, I remember what it is
We
now.
may or may not. Oh yeah. You know where it's coming from.
That's
but
I
can't
forgot where it's
remember what all
coming
was in
from.
it.
Yeah, you guys will have to check that out for sure. We'll do another video like this where we both like open it.
Wait, here.
Oh, what is that? Oh, I'm intrigued. Just from the color swatch on it. Oh, I'm intrigued. Moonlight gel. I'm so intrigued. We gotta see. Look at this little mesh bag. Look, it's so cute.
I love all their packaging is so good.
I know. Okay.
Kudos, Vettsy, on your packaging.
Get out. I'm so excited. All right, so we have here, we already know what this is, solid gel. That's that stuff that's like almost like poly gel, but it's like really like, it's the stuff I made the big 3D 9 with. So it's really
You all can't
thick.
see me, but I'm making a stink face.
It's really thick. It's fun to play with. And you can use something like this to adhere your tips with. So they had one.
Oh.
Vettsy did. That they sent me before. With like, I think a whole nail tip system. It was this stuff. Solid nail tips glue. I think it's pretty much the
Remember
same
what
thing
you did
as
to
this.
my nails? Could you do that with that?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Yeah, it's that real super thick. Okay, and then this looks like a gel polish, which I saw a little swatch thing with a magnet in here somewhere.
Wait, where did it go?
It's down at the bottom of the pile somewhere.
Right here.
Okay, so maybe it's a magnetic gel, I don't know. But they come with like these little swatch thingies here. So you can swatch in the lid on the top, or you can swatch the little clear square gem, and it's got a little sticker so you can stick it to the front of the bottle. It's really fun. Let's see what we got here. It doesn't have a name or number or anything on
Here
it.
on the side.
Oh, perfect. Thank you. Unicorn cat eye.
Oh, it's gonna be cat eye.
Ooh. Okay, well, let's just see. Let's just play. Hey, get that magnet out of there. See, I need you here every time.
We're codependent. It's fine. We've developed twin telepathy.
Yeah,
We're not really twins, though. It's fine.
I mean, we're not even the same age, but we might as well be. Okay.
They don't know, but I'm like a Hobbit short. And we're like that movie Twins with Arnold Schwarzenegger and that really short guy. What's his name? He's like 4'2".
I have no idea. Okay, I cannot see. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Let me see if we're getting this in camera here. Look at that. You see what it's doing? Like, it's so pretty.
Oh my, that's really pretty.
Oh my goodness.
That's super. That's more cat eye than a couple of the other brands I've used. Like
I
more
know. Like more magnetic?
Yeah, magnetic and more holographic too, more sparkly.
Oh my goodness. Ooh, that's fun. Mm-hmm. That is super, super pretty. And look how 3D it looks. Ooh, I like that.
Wait, that's fun.
Okay, so we have, it looks like another gel polish. Have to help me find the name if there's one on it.
Oh, right there on top.
Oh, oh, girl, looks like it's gonna be bright.
It'll be orange.
The sun's out. Ooh, I don't think I've had a polish like this from them before. Oh my God.
That is a neon.
That is so bright. Girl.
Oh my, it's like a traffic cone.
It is so bright. Wow. That is
Somebody
so
will want that on their toes.
pretty. Oh, yeah. That is so pretty.
That's really bright. You know what? That would be good for Halloween too.
Oh, it really would. This brush is really nice in here. Look
It's
at,
wide.
Yeah. That's a really nice brush. I think
That makes me hate a brand whenever they have really small brushes
tiny,
in there.
tiny
I don't even want to
brushes.
use it.
I know. Look at that. Sun's out. Which one? This one?
Oh yeah.
Let's do this one. Let's see what this is like. Oh, where's that little gel brush at that they sent? We'll whip that baby out and... Oh my God!
Oh, it's more sparkles.
That is so pretty.
Mermaid nails.
Right? Girl, you know I'm about to swatch all this stuff right here on my nail. Oh my goodness. Can you imagine that over like a dark color?
Oh wait, over like.
Yes.
Look.
Over like a blue. Yes. This is, I think it would look...
Oh, even that one.
I think actually it would look prettier over a dark color than this light pink.
Yeah.
Well, let's try
You can
this one.
explain why your nails look like they do before they come for you in the comment section.
No. I think anybody who's watched my videos should know by now. My nails are always trash. That's probably because I'm doing stuff like this with it. But this is really pretty. So this would definitely be like a topper.
That's not super thick either.
No, it's really easy to apply. I like this brush.
It's real soft. It seems like it flips well, like it's bouncy.
Yeah, I'm really happy with that brush. And the fact that it has a lid.
I love that.
This is gorgeous. So yeah, definitely used as like a topper. Okay, two more. You want to open that one?
Yeah.
We're just so excited to dig into it. I love their little packaging. These little packaging or pots are so pretty. They're like a frosted glass. They're very cute. Okay, this one is number 107. It's called Intention. And it's also sealed on the inside, which is nice. But it's got a little tab to help you open it, so that's nice too. These, I believe, are the solid gels, so, or pudding gels, or what else are they called? They've been called so many things. So they won't move when you tip it upside down. You gotta dip your brush in.
It's like a blizzard from Dairy Queen.
So this one kind of looks like it would be a topper as well. I don't know. It's more opaque than the Moonlight gel. And it's got like a purple tint to it. That's pretty. Check out this one.
Ooh, that's really, everything's sparkly.
I feel like,
Vettsy.
I feel like if you put it over black, it would give you a different look.
Ooh, yeah.
So this one could be used as a topper as well. I don't think that would be completely opaque on its own either. So wipe that off with my little swatch finger here. I got gel everywhere. Wipe my little brush off. All right, and then this one's number 35. What does that say? Astral. I feel like this is going to be a topper too. Now, don't snarl your nose. Ooh.
It's kind of fallish.
I don't know.
I don't know, once you scoop it out, will it be mauve? Will it be brown?
I don't know. I feel like it's going to be, again, like see-through-y.
Oh, it's kind of mauve-y.
I really like it.
I thought it looked brown, and that's why I was like,
she
it's not fall yet.
She was snarling her nose.
It's not fall, y'all.
So, again, it's going to look different depending on what color you put it over. Yeah, I think that actually might look cool over black as well. I don't know, it might be hard to see over black. But look, it gives it more of its true color over black. So if you wanted that like fall kind of look, you'd put it over black. So all kind of like toppers.
It's
Very
all
cool.
like all the fun stuff.
Fun stuff. All right, guys. So that is everything for this July mystery box. Happy 4th anniversary, Vettsy. I'm still trying to put everything back in here. There's so much stuff. This thing was jam-packed, so full of fun things. Thank you so much to Amanda for helping me open it and check out all the goodies. That was a lot of fun. You guys go check out all the stuff in the description box if you want to pick up any of this stuff from Vettsy, and the links and all of that'll be there. Make sure you hit the like button if you like this video. I do appreciate that very much. And subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. I do unboxing videos, I do swatch videos, and a few other things. So a couple of vlogs. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much, Vettsy, for sending me over this cute little box. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.